Hello there, some generic information for your stained glass window project, just to try to simplify things and clarify things for you. You already received this information. This are the instructions as well as the rubric that goes along with your project, but this is kind of overwhelming for some folks. It's a lot of words, so let's try to simplify the instructions as best we can. What you'll receive is this sheet of paper. It tells you we need to have at least 4 horizontal lines, but upwards of 6. Each one includes a y-intercept, a rise and run, a slope, and an equation. You must have at least 4 vertical lines, upwards of 6. Each one with a x-intercept, a rise and run, a slope, and an equation to match. And then lastly, at least 6 but upwards of 8 diagonal lines, again with a y-intercept, a rise and run, a slope, and an equation. So for my example, I have 6 horizontal lines. Notice I need at least some positive, some negative intercepts. I need a rise and run that matches my slope. I need equations as well, equations that match the slope and the y-intercept. My vertical lines, here I must have, again, positive x-intercepts and negative x-intercepts. Along with that, a rise and run which matches the slope, and an equation that matches the slope and the x-intercept. And lastly, diagonal lines. I have 8 of them here. Some diagonal lines have negative y-intercepts. Some have positive y-intercepts. Some have negative slopes. Some have positive slopes. Each of these rise and runs matches the slope, and again the equations themselves match the slope and match the y-intercept. So when it all comes together, it looks something like this: a stained glass window. Notice my horizontal lines. I have 1, 2, 3 of them with positive y-intercepts. I have 1, 2, 3 with negative y-intercepts. My vertical lines, 1, 2, 3 have negative x-intercepts. 1, 2, 3 have positive x-intercepts. And then from there, a series of diagonal lines. Some of these diagonal lines have negative y-intercepts. Some have positive y-intercepts. Some of them are positive lines, positive slopes that is. Some have a negative slope. Once you graph these individually, they all come together. The end product, you have to color it so that it creates some kind of stained glass window. Another video, the next video I'm going to show you, kind of walks you through the process of how do you create a vertical line, a horizontal line, and a diagonal line to make this process a little bit easier for you.